Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at task 20W. Alright, it says open the file cost.csv. Format cells A1, D1, D3, and G3 so that the font is bold and 14 points. Okay, so we're going to look at the first one first and then come back to the second one, and that's how we're going to finish them. Okay, so A1, D1, D3, and G3. So let's go. So my file cost.csv is already open. I'm going to leave the file down in the description so you can download it and then tag along. All right. So the first thing I normally do is to save this file as task 20W. So I'm going to search for my folder, browse my folder. Where are you? I'm going to go back. There, right there. So I'm going to change the format to Excel and then save that task 20W. All right. Save. Okay. So now we can begin. So the first thing I will do is making sure all my data are showing. So double click in between and then you have this. So I'm going to have A1. Let me be sure of what I'm saying. A1, D1, and D3, and of course G3. So A1, where are you? A1, of course, this. So I click this and hold down Control key, and then I have D1. Am I right? D1, D3. Okay, no, D3. Sorry. Let me just get this one off. Can I? Oh, let me do that again. So D3 and then G3. Okay. I hope that's what it is. D1, D3, G3. Yeah. This, D1, G3, and G3. So I'm going to make them bold, first of all. And of course, 14 point. 14 point, let me just take that. 14 point, making sure all your data are showing. And that is it for the first one. Okay. So another way you can do that is to do the first one and then of course use the format painter. But let me just do that. Let me undo again. Good. So let me just take it back how it was. So I can select A1 and then make it bold and then 14 point, of course. Okay, so I'm going to, as the cell is selected, the current job, which is A1, is selected, I'm going to take format painter here. Then I'm going to click on D1 and then the format, all the format of A1 will transfer to D1, something like that. And I'm going to do that for the rest. The same thing, and transfer it to G3. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so that is how you can do that. So the first one is gone. So let's go to the second one. So the second one says format all numeric cells in row 2 into their respective currencies to 3 decimal places. Okay, so we have row 2. So of course row 2, this and this and this. So of course euro and then is it, what's that, yen? Yeah, that's Japan currency, yen. So we're going to reduce them to 3 decimal places. So I'm going to just let me just select one since we're changing the currency. So this one is going to have euro, right? So I'm going to go to the number group, make sure I select currency, so increase it to 3 decimal places, and of course making sure it's zero. This is pounds, I guess. So you need to find euro. Where are you? Yen is been here already. Euro. So I can take this, okay, and then okay, okay, and then the same thing with this. So I'm going to go back there again, and then going to currency under category, and then of course increasing to 3 decimal places. Going down to yen, then Japanese yen, of course, yes. Okay, so I'm going to click OK on that, and that is it for the second question. Okay, so Yeah, hope you're right. Yes. So the third one, format all numeric cells in columns C and D into pound sterling with 2 decimal places. So CD in column C and D. All right. So column C and D, these are okay. Okay, these are the numeric values, please. So to pound sterling, right? To pound sterling, yeah. Okay. So of course we do the same thing. We go to the number group again. Of course we have to select our range C and D. All right. So go to number group. Of course currency, 2 decimal places already, and then of course pounds. So it's already in pounds though. This is euro. Is that's pounds? That's not far. So but let me be sure. Let me go down to where are you? Have I passed it already? Uh, English pounds. Yep, that's what I need right there. 2 decimal places, of course. Yes. So I think we are in order. All right. So that changes to pounds. Okay. So the next question says, so that's this, which is the fourth one. Format the cells E5 to E15 into euros with 2 decimal places. So E5 to E15. So E5. This is E5, yeah, to E15. So we're taking it to euros, right? We are changing them to euros with 2 decimal places. So of course the same thing, number group again, currency, 2 decimal places already, and then we're going to have euros this time. I like what's it called? The European euros. Where are you? Have I passed it already? Where are you? Okay, I haven't passed it. Let me find it. Euros. Which one will I take now? I always like what's it called? Okay, let me just take this. The first one, and then I'm cool with that. All right, 2 decimal places, of course, and it's looking good. All right, so that's that for that. So format. So the next one, format the cells F5 to F15 into Japanese yen with 0 decimal places. Japanese yen F5 to F15. Okay, so F5 to F15, 0 decimal places, Japanese yen. Okay, so number group again, currency, this time around 0 decimal places. So find the yen, Japanese yen. Where are you? Let me just use it. Okay, I think we passed already. Yep, got it. That's cool. So to 0 decimal places, and then that is that for that. So the last one, format all cells between G5 and G15 into percentage values with no decimal places. Okay, so G5 to G15, which is the last one. So this is G5, I guess. Yeah, to G15. Yes. Okay. So we're going to change the data into 0 decimal places and then of course the percentage. So we're going to go to number group again. This time around we're going to choose percentage. Okay. Of course 0 decimal places. Yeah. 0 decimal places and then percentage, right? So of course, so the percentage is already selected, so we're going to be good with that, and then it's already selected, it's already changed. All right. So this is how you can do that. And then and that I want to, as I explained in exercise 20V, if I'm not mistaken, which is task 20V. You find out that this 43%, of course, if you click on it at the formula bar, it's going to show you for 42.853. So obviously, this 43% is really what the cell is showing you, but the real content of this cell will show you in the formula bar in percent. Okay, so of course, it multiplies it by 100, and then shows you the value right there. All right, so just take note of that though. So it works with 42.857 blah blah. Okay, so in decimal places and all that. All right, so I think that's about the question. We've exhausted the question. Please, if you have any question, you can leave a comment down below. If you have any addition or any suggestion, please, you can leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to have the questions. Okay, so that is it for this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, and like the video. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.